I just finished this vintage Bueche Girod miniature alarm clock. And here's a quarter, so you can get some idea of scale. Very tiny. The case turned out really, really nice, with a lot of luster and sparkle. The crystal is in excellent condition, so are the dial and the hands. It's a very attractive watch. So I have the alarm feature already fully wound. And what I'm going to do is advance the time so you can hear how large this tiny little mechanical wind alarm clock is. So I'm going to turn the left hand clockwise. That'll definitely wake you up. In summary, an excellent vintage Bueche Girod miniature alarm clock. It's a little larger than the size of a quarter, and the mechanical movement is a hand-wound, fully jeweled mechanism. Take care.